Ever ordered something online, been given a delivery estimate, and then found yourself refreshing the tracking page every 5 minutes? That feeling of anticipation, maybe a little impatience, is something most of us can relate to. Now, what if that something was your new debit card, your key to accessing your funds and making purchases? That's right, we're talking about the trusty Lloyds debit card. You've applied for a new account, or perhaps you're replacing a lost or expired card, and now you're wondering, how long will I be waiting? In today's instant gratification world, even a few days can feel like an eternity when it comes to essential banking tools. It's not just about getting the card, it's about regaining full control over your finances, being able to withdraw cash, pay for groceries, or finally make that online purchase you've been eyeing. The arrival of your new Lloyds debit card is a pretty crucial step in managing your money, whether it's your very first card with them or a much-needed replacement. A lot of daily life hinges on having a functioning debit card, from paying for your morning coffee to managing your household budget. Without it, you might find yourself relying on less convenient payment methods, or perhaps even having to dig out that rarely used emergency cash stash. It can be a real disruption to your routine. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Lloyds Bank generally aims to get your new debit card to you within 5 working days. That's the standard time frame they quote. Now, working days are important here. That typically means Monday to Friday, excluding weekends and public holidays. So if you order your card on a Friday, don't expect it to land in your letterbox by Monday. This 5 working day estimate applies whether you're ordering a brand new card for a new account, or if you're replacing a lost, stolen, or damaged one. If you've reported a card lost or stolen, Lloyds will cancel the old one straight away for your security, and then dispatch your new one. But what if you're in a pinch? What if 5 working days still feels too long? The good news is that Lloyds understands the need for quick access to your funds. If you're a Lloyds mobile banking app user, you can actually view your new debit card details in the app, usually the very next day after you've requested a replacement. This is incredibly handy, as it means you can start making online purchases immediately, even before the physical card arrives in the post. You can also add these virtual card details to mobile payment services like Apple Pay or Google Pay, allowing you to make contactless payments with your phone while you wait for the physical card. It's a fantastic workaround that bridges that waiting gap. While the 5 working day target is usually met, sometimes things can take a little longer. Royal Mail, or whatever postal service is used, can experience delays, especially during peak periods like holidays or due to unforeseen circumstances. If it's been longer than the quoted 5 working days, and you're still waiting anxiously by the mailbox, it's always a good idea to get in touch with Lloyds directly. You can typically do this through their online banking portal, the mobile app, or by giving their customer service a call. They'll be able to check the status of your card delivery and help you out. Remember, keeping your address details up to date with the bank is crucial to ensure your card arrives at the correct location without any hitches. A simple oversight like an old address could lead to significant delays and inconvenience. So, for most Lloyds debit card requests, you're looking at a wait of around 5 working days. But with the power of their mobile banking app, you might not even feel that wait, as you can often access your card details virtually almost instantly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.